Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternatives to the DnD Beyond, like what are the ones that you can use instead. So the first one, very popular one, is a Roll20. So the Roll20 is the free, easy way to play tabletop games online with others. It's completely web-based, so it runs right on your browser. A full 5e character sheets with auto calculation, search the free 5e or the rule set, dice rolling with 3D or rise dice, basic maps and tokens. But you have kind of like limited storage for the maps and assets, so that's something to be aware of. No dynamic lighting on the free tier and SRD content only. Now another one that you can actually like also check out is called like Aura Builder. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. It's a free tool that lets you create characters for Dungeons and Dragons. A game using the bundled content, your own content, and the content created by others. So again, this is something that you can also check out. It's Windows only, no Mac, no Linux. It works completely offline and less polished UI than DnD Beyond, but still something to check out. Also check out like Adventure Codex. That's something that you can also check out, that is like interesting one. So that's another one that you can also check out. It's kind of like the more basic ones, and small community, fewer integration. That's also interesting one. Then also Beyond Tabletop. So check this one too. Clean, intuitive character sheets, battle map tools, work on any device. Is not quite there in terms of how much content it has, but still something to check out. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.